What are you doing?
And they're gonna kill me.
Come on, I dropped in on a full pipe. Let's go, baby.
Anything counts, baby. That was good.
All right, guys. I am very excited to be out here today. My name is Aaron. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and I have my special guest,
Dave Smith from Punisher Skateboards.
sponsored skateboarder from the...
New Jersey area.
There we go. There's not really a bay there, but you could go. Nigel Jones.
Do you guys do that? That's not a thing, right?
Fist pump.
Fist bump. Yeah.
And Uzi Walker.
Oh.
Daniel from the America area in Australia.
You're not
Discovery
even from
Bay area.
Australia.
And down there, eating his vegan pizza.
Weeaboo.
What in the world? Gabe said that he's not allowed to play because they recently played a game of skate where Gabe beat him. You might want to watch it on the Braille. Before we get started, we're going to open these boards and we're going to play anything counts. And when we say anything, Dave, we literally mean anything, right? Except for anything on the 7 stair, anything on the handrail, anything on the big side of the bowl. Just kidding. Anything counts. If you want to go there, go there. But we just won't be happy with you. Will we?
No.
No, we won't. Because nobody likes that.
That's why you
So,
substitute.
I'm going to open
Anything
this.
counts, right?
Show Gabe your tattoo while I open this.
What?
What?
Are you kidding me?
Yes!
Since when?
Am I
I
right?
think like 3 days ago.
3 days ago?
That is so sick.
Hell yes.
I wouldn't even walk if I had a tattoo for 3 days ago. So Rochambeau, the actual real reason why Mowgli can't play is because Gabe says he doesn't understand not going straight for the throat and get everybody out right away.
He just doesn't know basics.
No, I'm a sub. Look, let me say something right now. Everything counts means I'm a substitute. So if someone says Mowgli, I'm a substitute.
That's a good. I think everyone should get one Mowgli substitute.
Ready?
Collaboration.
Yeah.
Wow.
The perfect.
Oh, never mind.
Not
Now
make.
scissors.
Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks
great.
a lot.
Again.
Dang. You guys must have
Uzi is
rehearsed
first.
Told you I
Uzi
never
goes
lost at rock,
first.
paper, scissors.
it. Smith grind the rail. Smith grind the rail.
Oh.
Uzi first. Dave second. Nigel third. Aaron, Cairo fourth. Skateboard, dude. This is anything counts. Dang, G. Let's go.
What was the trick?
He's gonna air into this.
He's been struggling
out,
on it
kids.
all morning.
Watch out, kids. That was the coolest thing ever. First try. Yeah, for real. That's like really hard.
Wow.
What the world? How do you do that?
Go faster.
No, you don't.
Position more.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Defense.
Ref. Ref.
He's the ref.
Ref.
All that counts.
I almost got bodied on it.
I 100% knew that was gonna happen. Dave, get all these people a letter.
Wow. I'm gonna go a little easy. We'll just do one of these.
Mowgli? This is for the throat. You ready?
Yep.
It didn't pop, it didn't count.
First try.
What side? I mean.
You're going the wrong way, Dan.
What you mean? How is that the wrong
It's a
way?
regular shove.
What?
Right here, first try.
I'm blocking you all on Instagram.
Next is Nigel.
Oh, he's flexing on you, Aaron.
Dang it. I don't like it when he does that with his chest. Makes me nervous. Oh! Because mid-manual there was a letter! I'm sorry, they're just trying to enjoy the park out here. Nice. Yeah, boy, let's go. Gabe.
Yeah.
You hear that? It was there, now it's gone. I don't know what to say.
Oh, that's really hard.
Mowgli! That's dead. Waiting to happen. You want to use your Mowgli? He's right there.
Here you go, man.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, boy!
Oh, you're using your Mowgli?
I can't just drop it.
No, Dan. It's a roll in.
I'll take a letter.
Letter.
Ah, butterscotch.
Uzi, I'm watching you. He's going like this. First try.
I've done it one time.
Don't use me.
Judge. I'm not the judge. He's the judge. You're not.
Hey, man, look at him. Bolts.
Letter. Letter.
Easy.
Okay. I guess I won't do that 73 more times.
That balance. Impeccable.
You thought I was gonna blow it right at the end, didn't you?
No?
Don't lie to me, Cruz.
Okay, I did.
I saw it in your eyes.
I did. Were you looking at me? You were that confident?
I was, yeah.
Yeah! Oh!
Yeah, buddy.
Aaron! Who's you're up?
All right. Let's get this double flip.
Come on, Davey. Choose wisely.
Oh!
Next.
Oh, no! Dang it. It didn't slide.
Back to me?
The first time. Yeah, back to you.
Back to you.
You guys all want a letter or not? Honest. Yeah!
Oh!
I would have totally given that to you.
Dang. Clean sweep.
All right,
Let him know who's
All
boss.
right, Aaron.
Let him know who's boss. Let him know who's boss. Gonna have my freestyle board out here.
Oh, letter!
Got all confident.
Letter!
He totally tried to cheat it and he fell. Let's go! Let's go!
Off the three?
Welcome back, 1996. I don't know if I did 2 or 3, doesn't really matter. It's
Was
just
that the
K-Man
2 or
board
3,
slide.
Troy?
Everybody in the comments making fun of me. It's scarier than it looks when you're here.
Dang, Aaron, that was impressive. Ah! Yeah!
What?
Send it! Oh! Letter!
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ride by this bowl and I'm gonna go up the grass. Wow. Eat it. Eat it, boys.
Dang.
Wow. First try. Nothing but faith in my brother Uzi.
Oh! My ankle!
Sorry.
Oh!
The kick was, it was the grass that got you.
Yeah.
What's that?
Just go slow and lean back. Never mind. Whatever you want. All right, here we go.
Oh, yeah!
Let's go! Whoa!
You just never know with him.
You never know.
Uzi, he can ollie higher than all of us. Pull me! Pull me! Uh-oh. That was pretty good. Oh, look, this way, guys. And girls, or whatever you are. Who's next? Uzi?
Let her!
What am I supposed to do? They don't cooperate.
I have wiener dog German Shepherd.
Hey, human.
And they're crazy.
What are you doing?
And they're gonna kill me if
That was a good guy. Hey, you're a good boy. Huh? Oh, that's a good boy.
walking.
Judge? Technically he wasn't rolling, but we'll give it to him
We'll
because it's
give it to
Uzi
him.
and we're kind of scared he's going to injure the animals.
Yep.
It's so weird.
Got them when they're out of control.
A lot harder than it looks.
This is a fluke.
If you can't control the animals, you get a letter. Troy, your shadow's messing me up. Who's next? Was that it? Was that it?
That hurt my finger. Hey, you kind of cheated, but.
There you go.
Later. With your hand.
Oh.
Aaron, I think you got a letter too.
I said watch.
I think Aaron gets a letter too.
It's really hard. The hurt wrist doesn't help.
Ah, I don't know if it counts because I touched my hand. And I didn't even get on. I can't do it.
We're off. That's what I'm saying!
What? I mean,
Pop it up. Whoa!
you gotta kick it too?
Mowgli thought it was the funniest thing he's ever seen in his entire life.
Counts. 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 Dang. Another clean sweep. Uh-oh. That's it.
That wasn't even a trick! A drop in? Come on, I dropped in on a full pipe. Let's go, baby. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'll take a letter.
Letter! Dude. Have you dropped in on that one yet?
No.
I will allow you to drop in on
the
that
other
one
side
if you'd like to.
Oh my god.
Because if you can do that one, you can do this one. But I don't want you to like jump the gun. Can't hesitate, just go. Woo! I think he stays in the game just for pure courage at this point. You never used the Mowgli.
Alright, drop in for me.
Wait, no, you have to do the big side.
Yeah, you gotta do the big side.
I'm sorry, we're out.
You good? Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's
okay.
born in the jungle, not in the concrete jungle.
All right.
Oh, that counts.
Oh my
Whoa!
goodness!
Did you lock in there?
No. Dirty. Dirty.
That was the one.
So lovely.
Aaron, the trick. Anything counts. Anything counts, baby. That was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I've never done that.
Anything counts. Counts. Anything counts. Counts.
Technically, you didn't flip it, but that was good. That was good.
Hey, everything counts. He rolled away.
That's true. You did. Okay. All right.
No, it wouldn't. That would be just an obstacle. Skateboards on it and everything, right? Forward into primo, flip out.
Okay. Dang, dude.
Letter.
Skateboard and skateboard.
Wow.
Leather! What the? Oh, I didn't know.
Oh boy.
Oh.
You are such a jerk. Disrespect.
Ow! I'm at R.
Why's he always got to do this one? Always.
Count it.
It's kind of like a varial flip body varial, but we're gonna count it. Reef.
Dang, girl. You could do that.
I know I can do that. Yes! That's everything counts game of skate. Thank you, Dave.
Yeah,
You crushed it.
The real winner is me.
Truth. There's a lot of truth in that, to be honest. A huge thanks to Punisher for sponsoring this video. That was super fun.
Yeah, man. Remember to go check out PunisherSkateboards.com.
Let's go!
Right
Check
on.
out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, can learn how to ride a skateboard.